Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in the game Windrose. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. So here follow the first fix. Open Windows settings. On the left click on system and then click on sound. Scroll down and under advanced option click on more sound settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound and from the drop down select off option and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down here select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Windrose game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Fix 3 is 2. Now if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Uncheck all these 3 options and then click on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. And the fix 5 is to disconnect the additional peripheral devices. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. And then you can go ahead launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio problem in Windrose game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.